Okay.
Thank you, Lincoln.
Okay, now I lick the cup. Now I lick it.
Switching the cup.
But Daddy liked the French cup.
Let's do the new cup right there.
That's Chinese cup. Can Daddy have a French cup, please?
Well, I think
Because I like the one with the handle. Chinese teacup doesn't have a handle.
may have it like this, holding it.
It's hot. Daddy don't want to burn Daddy's fingers. Can Daddy have a French cup, please?
You may have it like this.
Watch out for the background, dear. I'm breastfeeding now.
And then drink it. It's not hot.
It's not hot.
No.
Can Daddy have
you
a
will want it.
Can Daddy have a hot tea, please?
Yeah. A really hot one. We still have some tea, Daddy.
Okay.
Decided
Look
that
in
you're
there.
gonna have it.
Okay. All right. Pour it. Pour Daddy a cup then.
I'm going to clean the cup.
Okay.
Chris, can you get a shot of your DOG without getting me? With the EAR?
Now that you scoop it up,
Look at the EAR.
and then do this.
Okay.
Look at that EAR. Oh, brother. It's
Day.
good boy, Lincoln. Good girl, Pepper. Okay, don't come over here. I'm switching. Okay, little girl.